Hi, I'm JR, and I'm gonna start a daily travel tech, and I'm gonna start a vlog. Okay, so I'm from the Philippines. I recently left corporate and doing more creative stuff, photography, cinematography, sound engineering, voiceovers, mostly voiceovers. And I've been wanting to start this blog as a reason to pump out more content. I figured that from the Philippines and there's a lot of stuff to see here. I've been trying to think of something awesome to kickstart the vlog. And then my college friend Nomo calls me saying that he needs someone to go with him on this multi-day road trip from Manila to Siquijor. I of course said yes. Let's go! Okay, so here's a map of the Philippines, and where we're going is from the capital, which is here, to Siquijor, which is this tiny island right here. To do that, we drive from Manila, which is right here, take a 2-hour drive to Batangas Port, take a ferry to Mindoro, which goes like that, drive to the other side of Mindoro, which is around here, take another ferry to Katiklan, which is there, and stop here for a day, which is where Boracay is, and then drive across this island to the other side, which is here, take another ferry from there to here, and then drive from Bacolod all the way down to Dumaguete and take one last ferry to Siquijor, which is right here. That's supposed to be an arrow. So like I said, multi-day. So that's Nomo. This is the car we're bringing to his province. And that's the beach house in the middle of the city. Hello, welcome to my humble abode. Welcome to my crib. Look, it's sand.
The concept of this house is you're in the middle of the city. You want to unwind, you want to relax, but the beach is like how many hours away. So I made this beach house in the middle of the city. There are like 3 mango trees there and like 2 balete trees, which are supposed to be magical.
What are balete trees?
It's a bodhi tree in English.
Bodhi tree.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like mythical, magical creatures live here, like fairies and angels.
So this is a magical, mythical beach house in the city.
Yeah, what else can you ask for? The first thing you see when you wake up is like a small piece of green over there.
Wait, let me test that.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. It's like waterfalls. You're like swimming in the river and it's the CR, and then you get a view over there.
What's a CR?
This is where you do your putty. There's a beach and there's a garden over there.
Okay, so do you wanna...
You get to eat, and there's a view. It's an open. There's a garden. You get coffee. You get dinner. It's a garden over there. It's a pretty view.
It's
a nice room.
It's just a garage. So you wanna tell them why we're going to Siquijor?
We bought a car. We need the sound system for the restaurant. We're good to go, and we're very excited to go back there.
So essentially, he got a new car. We need to bring it there, and he's paying for my trip. So now we need to pack. Think we can fit more stuff?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, so there's definitely something wrong with the suspension, so we need to get it checked. Yes. We're going back.
Don't be surprised if I love you for all that you are. I couldn't help it.
This was supposed to be a morning trip because of the problems we had. It's now 2:30 in the afternoon. It's not too bad, I guess. Do not drive while vlogging. So that's the name of the boat we're in. This is the second ride. After this, it's another 4-hour drive and then another 5-6 hour boat ride and then another, I don't know, it's a long trip, but yeah, it took us around 20 minutes to get the car on board, so that's not bad. We expected it to be a lot worse, but yeah. Did you see that? Those were dolphins. They actually have beds here, so I'm gonna try to get some sleep. I mean, not much, but that's the food.
The food is great, the place is great, the food is very affordable. It's a great place to be in Mindoro. If you're here, just eat here. It's a good place to be.
It's a city walk food park. By the way, those two places earlier, $1 each. Okay, so we just got off the ferry. It's now 9 p.m. We just finished dinner and now we're going. So it's a 2.5 hour drive and then a 4
3 hours ferry ride.
and a 3-hour ferry ride. People were sketchy, but I think we just got the ride on the next ferry. They wanted us to get on the next one, but they said that technically we should be on the one that's loading after this one. I don't know why they want us to get on this one so badly.